Hello, today let's walk through a modern API integration connecting Acumatica and Shopify using eZintegrations powered by AI. In this scenario, Acumatica is our source system and we want to push product or order data directly into Shopify in real time using AI operations. Here I have entered the endpoint of Acumatica URL to get the data along with credentials from our source system. Let's click on Test button. We have easily connected our source in few clicks now. Let's move to the next step of data operations. The data we have got comes in structured JSON format, but its schema is system specific and not directly compatible with Shopify. First step is a single line to multi-line transformation. This operation breaks down flat or nested arrays into individual records. Let me show you in the console how the data looks like before and after conversion. I just need to spin the pipeline. As you can see, we have the data in multi-line now. And now comes the smart part, AI operation. All I do is let AI know in simple English that from the incoming JSON data from Acumatica, transform the JSON into the payload as pasted below, extracting the required keys as needed. This is the JSON structure Shopify expects the data in, so I will copy-paste the structure in AI operation and click on Enter. It automatically understands the source data, maps the fields, formats the values, and restructures everything to match Shopify's schema. Let me show you in console as well how the data is formatted. As you can see, the data is now perfectly structured and formatted exactly how Shopify expects it for ingestion. Let me close the console and move to the next step of data target. Here I've entered the Shopify API endpoint details, and in the request body, I've specified the key name that holds the transformed data. With that set, we're ready for the final step, creating the integration bridge. All we need to do now is give the bridge name, add brief description, and optionally set schedule if we want it to run automatically. Once everything looks good, we simply hit submit, and our API to API integration is complete. Let's go ahead and start the bridge and watch the data flow in real time. As the integration runs, the transformed product data from Acumatica is now being ingested directly into Shopify. Let me take you to the Shopify dashboard, and there it is. The product records are live, structured exactly as required and fully sync. With just a few simple steps, we've transformed data, automated the mapping, and pushed it into modern e-commerce platform, all without writing a single line of code.